Morning, afternoon, and night. Try to catch everybody all at one. Hey, it's wreckerMan. Actually, not wreckerMan anymore. wreckerStan. Hey, we're towing a car. Dexter at my side. Right, Dexter? Yeah. Oh, we got the heat on low. What we turning? I still haven't figured out how to aim this damn thing. What's that? Why is the primary brake on? Huh. Weird, it's still on. Primary brake. Well, it's not that one, because that one just lit up. Well, you would think the switch would be on the top when you get to the top of that. It's not. There's my line lock. Yeah, I can give you in cab. That's my line lock. That, believe it or not, it goes to the front instead of the back, and it's not an all-wheel, it's just a two-wheel line lock. Yeah. It needs to be fixed. We don't even use it. And this is a switch. It's just got this funny cover over it. Well, it's not coming off. And then, it still works though. It's not, that's what this wire does. I haven't figured out what I'm going to use it for. This here's the idle up. Then we got all these, got the, yeah, you can barely see it at the top. Now, that's the outside ones. And then these are the, you can barely see it because it's daytime, but that's all of them. That's all the lights at one time. And then this here is alternating flasher. Probably can't see it. No, that makes the lights flash in the front. And then these are, can't see these either probably, but these are the work lights on in the headache rack on the top, or on the top of the bed. And then these ones are the ones under the back, all the way at the back of the at the back of the truck, like by the wheel lift. And this one's like whatever you want it to do. I don't know, it doesn't do nothing. And then I got my heater controls. And then my radio. Oh wow. There's a radio front here somewhere. And there's my CV bracket that I'm pretty sure Greg Layton took. But I can't prove that. Anyways, that's about it. Emergency brake lever. It's got electric windows. It's got a 6-speed in it that I put together out of parts. Actually, Ernest put it together. My brother Ernest put it together. Well, here we go. Let's go park this truck. Should have got my, there's a spider. Can you see that? Right there. See that? There's a spider that's been living here. There's Remy. Hi, Remy. Hey, Remy! A bird just landed right behind him. That's cool. Okay, here we go, boys. See if we can make it through without hitting anything. Okay, well, Stanley wants some more parts off this thing. I want to haul it to the damn junkyard, but he wants more parts off it, so. You know, when I walked up here, that spot back there, right there, that looked like a lot bigger. Let's see, now I got both hands I can drive. I don't think this is gonna be a one and done thing. This is gonna be I don't know. I'm pretty good, so. Not with the phone, though. I'm not pretty good with the phone. If my pet spider would hold that there, it would be in good shape. Now, see, when you're walking this, it looks different. Then you get in here with the bed that's 22 feet long. Like I said, I'm pretty good. See, I'm not only lining up. I've got a line. See that? I got a line.